Hey everyone, welcome back to another Magic Minute. Today I'm going to show you how to create your very own custom writing feedback tool that can score multiple essays at once. So here I am on the teacher dashboard. I'm going to go down to create a custom tool. From here, I'm going to go to the writing feedback tool. So I'm going to call this writing feedback for an argumentative essay. I'm just going to leave the description blank for now. I'm going to make this set for a 6th grade level. I describe the assignment as students are writing an argumentative essay about whether or not they should wear school uniforms in school. For type of feedback, I'm going to actually upload a rubric here. So I'm going to go to the attach button. I'm going to go to my Google Drive and I'm going to go select the rubric. So now it will give feedback based on that rubric. Now on the right, this is what the teacher view would look like. I'm not going to need to see the rubric. I'm not going to need to see any of this. So I'm going to hide it because all I'm going to be doing is dropping in my students' writing to get feedback. Hit next. Now here is where I can give instructions for this feedback. To save time, here's my prompt. Please evaluate the attached essays by each student, providing an estimated score for their writing. Make sure to understand that each attached document is for a different student. So for each essay, identify at least 3 specific strengths or a glow and 3 areas for growth. Please write in kid-friendly language that a 6th grader will understand and make it short and succinct. Please include a horizontal line between each student's feedback. Now, if I'm happy with that prompt, I'm going to click next. So on this page, I actually get to test out the writing feedback. I'm going to upload 3 different student essays of varying levels. Let's see how it does. So there you can see it gave areas for strength for essay 1, areas for growth, overall writing mechanics feedback, and then an estimated score. And it even gives you a summary of all 3 essays. Now, if you're happy with this tool and the way it's working, I would go to save. And now you can see on my dashboard that custom writing feedback tool ready to go for next time. I hope you found this video helpful. For more tips and tricks on how to use MagicSchool, make sure you hit the subscribe button.